Well, what is going on, everyone? Oh, glad to have you back in Randy's Den here. Quick context before we get into the sparks flying. It's 24 volt. It's the star shower thing that got previous videos on. This is a little power supply box for it. The AC comes in right here, and these two, and comes out this end as 24 volts. It's not working. It is shorted somewhere in the main, right? So I had just a regular 24 volt power pack, wall wart, whatever you want to call them, little power cube, whatever. You plug it in, but it only put out AC. It didn't have DC, right? So it's 24 volt. I didn't want to burn the board up because I knew I had a short, but I wanted to find the heat, so I used the heat method. Or to find the heat method, use the thermal imager, whatever thing, and it's pointing right where that red is it. Okay, that's right where it's getting hot. Well, when you actually flip it over, so here is the transistor. That's the switching transistor on the input side, which is right here. It's right here. It's in the middle. It's right in the middle. I checked it 3 different times, right? So what in the world? That is just very strange. So I went and I figured, well, I'm gonna get some Let Sparks Fly. So Variax hooked up right now. It's on, and I'm gonna start turning it up. I'll read off what the voltage is. It kicks on at 40. Oh, look, sparks are flying already. More sparks. It just like arcs across, arcs across, arcs across. 53 volts. How many watts? 0.5 watts. Now the way this transformer's wound is, yeah, I'm not gonna stick that in there. No. Okay, this pin here on the outside and this pin are tied together pretty much. They're a whole bunch of windings, but basically it's like 0.2 ohms, right? And then this black one right here and this one right here are the other winding, the secondary winding. Or not the secondary winding, but it could be the feedback winding even. One of them could be either or, who knows. But anyways, yeah, it just keeps sparking across. So it's pretty much the two windings are sparking across with no like reasoning why. So is what I wanted to do is just show you that. Whoa! Now I'm gonna stop so I don't fry my board, and I'm gonna put some UV glue on it and try see what happens. See if that fixes it up. So I'll get right on it right now. Got some UV setting schmatz right here. And I gotta clean that off. So turn this off. Clean it up. And we'll get this on. It won't take long. This stuff goes pretty quick with a good light on it. Is this a good... Actually, a screwdriver. A little screwdriver is the best. Best for cleaning it. So again, it was that little red spot that was right in between them, right? For no reason, too. So, this and this are tied together. These two are not. Now, see, it just keeps carbonizing in between there. I am also going to first resolder them. Just in case one has like a cold solder joint and that's what's kind of making it all pop. Doesn't really make sense that that's it, but nothing else really makes sense either. And like I said, the thermal imager was right here. Not even close to that once I got real close with it. So, quite the strange deal, this one. Why can't, nothing's ever normal. Nothing's ever like a normal, okay, you replace this and here you go. No, it's always a fiasco. It's never everything but normal here. That's how everything goes. Anyways, let's fry this thing, see what we can do. Need a little more heat. There, you don't need it to be slammed right up on the thing. Okay, that's soldered. We'll clean it one more time quick. Actually, it should be alright. UV glue should hook right to it. How's this tip? Tip is tipperific. Yeah, I'll need some more, but let's get this going. The light, it's probably going to spread out. And if this doesn't do it, we'll probably just let it roll itself into a big blaze. Why not, right? Because there ain't much. It's I know it reminds me of the time. What was it? The high voltage on the old style TV I had. The high voltage coil, I think it was. High voltage coil. Ooh, that was weird. Anyways, the high voltage coil was sparking. No, flyback coil. That's what. Yeah. Hello. Flyback coil was arcing on like the outside of it, near like the post and the cap thing. And I put silicone on it and everything else like that is supposed to insulate between the two. It didn't matter what I did. Eventually, it would start arcing through again, like almost like it like carbonizes its way to each other, and then it makes it easier every time by carbonizing. But anyways, so like I found out right away like there's not much you can do with that once your limit. See, that stuff's pretty neat. It sets up pretty quick. Now it doesn't mean it's fully cured, but at least we got the outside of it taken care of. So I'll give it another minute or so and try it one more time. I'm interested to see if this will work. Now I don't know. Initially it was sparking across that FET. That's why I pulled it and either changed it, and then you can see I UV glue, what do they call it? Oh my god. So pathetic. Yeah, whatever that stuff is. Coating. Thermal coating. Whatever coating. It's unbelievable when I can't think straight. How fun my life is. Anyway, we'll try it again. Back at it. Round 2. You're going to want to look right in there. That's where sparks could fly. Okay, let's get up. We got to get about 30 volts. Alright, 44. Now, I was sparking earlier before, but remember it started carbonizing. And that makes it obviously a lot easier. Now we're at almost 70 volts. What do we got for watts? No watts. Huh. Okay, 0.3. I got the thermal here. 0.5 watts, 0.6. And we're at 120 right there. 120 voltus. So we're at typical North American house voltage. We're at 0.6 watts. Let's see where our heat is going. Something's got to be taking almost half a watt of heat dissipation. And there it is, that same spot. Get the light on it. Let's see if I can show you guys this. So it's, let's see. This should show up. Oh, it's back on the FET now. It's so strange how that dances around. Let me back it off so you guys can see what's going on here. So, there's that. Oh, I'm sorry about that reflection. But yeah, so it's getting pretty warm. And here's the screwdriver. I'll bring it in so you can see it. Let's see, ooh, right there is nice for you guys. Oops, sorry. Right there, the tip of the screwdriver is the hot spot. Whoop, I moved it a little bit when I pulled it. Whoa! So right there. See again? Right at the very tip of my screwdriver. Right at the very tip is right there. Right on the FET again. So is the FET getting warm? Let's flip it over and find out. Oh, of course now it's gonna stick to that. Of course. Oh yeah, that's a warm FET to me. So that's telling me that the FET is short. Okay. Well, I'll pull the FET and try this again. But that's all for now. I got to get rolling. It's starting to rain. So appreciate you guys. Come by, seen a little sparks. Nothing major. I'm sorry about that. Wish it could be bigger, better. But I hate getting in trouble too. It sucks and ruining stuff. So thanks, guys. Have a great day. Appreciate it. Bye.